How to track time while working. With TaxDome, you can easily track time spent on jobs and tasks by creating time entries directly from them. Say, I am a team member who starts working on a job. When I open a job card, I can start tracking time right from here. The new time entry will be automatically linked to the job. Once I finish working on a job, I will be able to pause or stop time tracking from here. Its status changes then. And if someone needs to see how much time was spent in total, it's easy to find out because there's a counter showing time tracked by different employees for the particular job. If I decide to leave the job card while the time entry is running, I can always access it from any page. So I'll have the option to pause it or finish directly from here at any time. If I need to make some changes to a time entry linked to a job, I can do it right from the job card. From here, I can add some extra time, and if I want to make an invoice from this time entry later, I can make it billable by turning this toggle on. Finally, from here I can also add a new time entry manually. Time entries can also be created from tasks like we did with jobs. We also have all time entries linked to a task with the possibility to see the total time spent and to edit if necessary. All time entries added from job cards and from tasks can be also found on the general time entries list.